In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to make from this figure to this figure without stressing yourself. But trust me guys, it all depends on how you can wait and watch this video from the beginning to the end. And also, if you don't understand some kind of tricks that I'm going to show you now, you can as well go to my comment section and then make your questions well known so that I can easily understand and I will respond to you. Now, this video is basically for those of us that are on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, name it. Anywhere you know that you have audience and people are going through your content, this video is for you. I want to show to you a way you can monetize your social traffic. That is, when people come and read your content, you can easily give them a link for them to click, and when they click on that link, instantly you get paid. I'm going to demonstrate all in this video. So all I want you to do is just to stick around, stay to the end of this tutorial, and then you're going to thank me later. All right guys, let's go. Let me show you how this thing is being done and how you can start making this figure to this figure. This is a proof that shows you can earn a lot of dollars from this particular website. Now, this is somebody's account. This is, as you can see, the date here, 2023. And look at the figure the person has earned so far. The person has earned a lot of money. So now we are going to go to our own tutorial and then show you how you can be like that same person. All right, that's much of work the person actually added there. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up and sign up. Right now, I will leave the link in the comment section for you to be able to sign up so that you can start earning as soon as possible. Right, sign up and then you come to this dashboard. All right, so when you get to this dashboard, the name of the platform is Monetag. All right, you're going to come to this platform. Now, this is the dashboard. As you can see right here, I'm on the dashboard. So from here, I'm going to start creating my smart link. Now, what is smart link? Smart link is a link that enables you to start earning instantly. Anytime somebody clicks on that smart link, on that link that this platform is going to give to you, they are going to accumulate some dollars into your account. All right, that is how it is. And then when they accumulate that dollars into your account, you're going to start seeing that the money is there presently. All right, so I just went to payouts, right, so that before I even start the tutorial, I want you to see how people are cashing out from this platform. You can use Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, and also cryptocurrency. All right, you can see how it is. And then outside that, they have what we call the 247 support, right? 247 support, that anytime you have an issue, they can easily respond to you. They have competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers. Their ads are from any GEO. When you see GEO, simply means that, okay, if you are in Nigeria, they will show you ads that are related to Nigeria. If you are in Canada, they will show you ads that are related to Canada. And then their payout, right, is very fast. Their payout is very, very fast. All right. That's one thing I want you to have at the back of your mind, so you don't have to stress yourself. Now, in terms of registration, I told you I will leave the registration link in the comment section or the description of this video. Go there and register yourself. All right, so if I copy this link here as my referral link, I can send it to you, and then you yourself can easily go ahead and do what? Register. All right, you can easily go ahead and do what? Register. Now, when you register, it's going to take you to this dashboard. All right, I'm not going to walk you through the registration process because it's very simple, right? I'm not going to stress you at all. It's very simple. So now let's go and explore our direct link. Now, the direct link I spoke about is this one you're seeing here. Immediately register, when you log in, here you will see copy link because I already created my direct link. But if you've not created your direct link for the very first time, you're going to see add direct link. All right, that is what you're seeing at the top right hand side of this dashboard. All right, top right hand side of this dashboard. It's telling you for you to do what? Add link. All right, add direct link. That's what you're going to see. So also guys, when it's time for you to check on statistics, you immediately click on statistics. Under here, this is where you're going to see the money that you've been paid. All right, the money that you've been paid. Now this is a new account and there's nothing there. I think that there's a figure there for now. I think I clicked on the link when I was recording this video as tutorial, right? So after I've showed you how you can make, how payment is being made based on payment option, I will just want you to relax and stay during the tutorials, because what you're seeing now is real, right? You can get paid. Again, I'm repeating it, through cryptocurrency, PayPal, and then also Skrill, and then Payoneer. So it has threshold, right? Like what you are seeing on the board, each of the threshold is listed there, right? Each of the threshold is listed there. The one that needs you to get like $5, like PayPal, when you have $5, you can go and request for your fund, and you're going to get paid just like that. It is very simple, right? When you're carrying out all these activities or withdrawal process on this particular platform called Monetag. All right. Now, I want you to watch at this. This is the referral stage, right? If you refer somebody, you're going to get continuous. You're going to be getting 5% for every publisher who registered via your link. You get 5%. Everybody that registered via your link, that's a commission you're going to be getting on a steady. And this is a good one, all right? This is a good one, all right? You don't need to stress yourself anymore. So the next phase we are going to get into now is the phase where I'm going to explain to you how to use the direct link or the smart link, all right? So let's go and click on this direct link. You hit on it now. Now it's very important that when you hit on it, if you get here for the very first time, you're only going to see add smart link or add direct link. That is if it's your first time of registering. But I've already added it, so I'm just going to click on copy. Right. So I copied it and I use it to create a blog. This is my blog because I have a website. This is my blog that I've created, and I'm going down to where I'm going to show my audience. So now, because I have a website, I have a blog, so I created a post here, explaining to you about Monetag and their high CPM rate, which they have different forms of ads, right? But for the sake of this video, we are only talking about how to monetize your social network, which is using your smart link, all right? There are different ways you can actually monetize it, but we are talking about this. There's a way I can put on this the whole of I can monetize the whole of this blog by inserting a particular code into this website. But we're only working with what social link. Now, this example of I just wrote a content where I say if you click on the test smart link, let's see what's going to come up, and at the end I put a button there for you to sign up. All right, you can actually sign up there, those that are reading through my content. But for this tutorial, we want to test how this smart link looks like. Right now, I'm going to click on this smart link, and it's going to take me to a page that's going to display adverts. Now, this advert that is showing automatically simply tells the algorithm that somebody has clicked on my smart link. So they have to pay me. It's going to generate the CPM for the location of the person clicking on the smart link. Automatically, funds is going to be allocated to my account. You get it is as simple as that. You will make money from that. Now, this is my Facebook page, right? I created monetize your social traffic with Monetag, right? This simply means that I'm telling you that you can monetize your social traffic. And I wrote content on this page telling you how you can do that. You get, and then also I drop my smart link at the end of this page, at the end of this content, and also I drop my sign up link at the end of this content. That means you can see how the smart link is displays. You can also see how to register, right? Even after watching this video, you can know how to register. It's very simple. When you click on the video, it's going to take you to a page and then ask for your details. Please ensure you are using your right details, all right? So that if you when it's time for payout, you request for if you say your name is Emmanuel and then your payout details is showing John, you will definitely not be able to get paid. That is something you have to put at the back of your mind. And this platform, they don't joke with payment. They pay ASAP, right? You can start making money as soon as you join this platform. This is one thing you have to know, all right? Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel even as you're watching this video. Yeah, I share a lot of tips on how you can make money online and how you can make money with that investment. That is what I do basically. Now, for your information, I am not telling you that when you come to this platform, you're going to make millions in a day. But I'm showing you ways you can make money online from this platform by doing little tricks I'm going to show to you. So let me zoom up, right? As you can see, this is my smart link here, right? And then the next link you're seeing on that is a link where you can sign up, right? So I just wrote a content up there telling them how you can monetize your social traffic. And then after writing that content, the content is going to wow you. After it wows you, you're going to come and say, okay, click on this now. Let's see how it's going to display. So when you click on it, what is going to come out, and the network is a bit slow, what is going to come out is basically a an ad, right? An advert. And like I said, your advert is basically for GEO, like geo. Your geo restriction is going to show based on what you are doing there. Like in Nigeria, we know adverts that are related to what we do. Those are the kind of adverts you're going to see, all right? So I think the advert is up now. This is steak cut, right? This is steak. So this is the advert that's going to show. And whenever this advert comes up, The next thing you're going to notice is that if you go and check your Monetag account, you'll be surprised that you already have some cent count in there. It doesn't reflect instantly. It takes sometimes it takes like let's say 0 to 10 minutes. It's going to reflect there. So this is the advert that came up, all right? For you to get for any of your users to come to this page to even see this page, automatically you get paid. That's what I'm trying to tell you, all right? Automatically you get paid. So I would just definitely recommend all users, if you're watching this video right now and you've not been able to make a dime, like $1 from your account, let us say from your social media account, this is a time where you have to monetize your social media traffic. By watching this video and doing exactly what I did, I just created, you see the steps are very simple. I just created my direct link. So I want to check the statistics, right? If you scroll down now, I think you must see some figure. Yeah, you must see some figure. So the one I did now has not reflected, but this is the figure that reflected when I was setting up this video, when I was making this video, and this figure here was just because of a click. I clicked by myself when I was recording this video, but it's not advisable for you to be clicking on yourself. Clicking is not advisable, right? Monetize it. Put this kind of links on your social content. You saw how I wrote a blog story telling them how you can make money online by monetizing with Monetag, right? Using their smart link. And then I told them on that content that okay, if you want to see how it works, click on this link, then you're going to see how it works. So when they click on that link, you're going to see figure reflecting here. There are other ways you can even monetize your website. There are other ways you can monetize using Monetag. But for the sake of this video, I only did where you can monetize by using the smart link. All right, which is very, very important. So at this moment, I would like to encourage viewers, those of you that are watching this video, to register on Monetag and monetize your social traffic so that you can make good money from Monetag using their smart link. All right, guys. So please don't forget to stay safe and always go around watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do well to also share this video link to your friends and well wishers. Also comment so that YouTube can push this video to a wider audience, and then so that we have more people watching this video and making money. See you on my next video.